Here we have a Jagger JFL250 25-tonne 4-post hoist by Levanta. With a generous 25-tonne lifting capacity, these are a great addition to any heavy vehicle workshop that are servicing 8-wheeler trucks or heavy prime mover vehicles. These hoists are designed and manufactured in Spain. They're designed and manufactured to ensure maximum productivity, safety and durability in your workshop. They also come with a 5-year structural warranty and a 2-year parts warranty. Main features of the JFL250 4-post, they've got a maximum of 3.5 metre between the columns, which helps if you're doing maintenance work on vehicles wider than your 2.5. The JFL250 comes standard with the 8 metre platform. If you require any longer, we suggest the knuckle lift, which starts off at 9 metres in length. They come standard with the extended drive-on ramps to accommodate lower entry vehicles. Optional extras for the JFL250 are the rolling jacking beam assembly, drive-through ramps and LED lighting system. Other product features include electro-hydraulic lifting system operated over a double-acting hydraulic cylinder, automatic electromagnetic safety locks in each post. In addition to the safety locking system, it also incorporates a slack cable safety lock whereby the lock will activate in the event of a cable snap or breakage. To operate the JFL250, there is a series of push buttons. We have the separated up and down buttons and the on-off switch, lockable by a padlock. To lower the JFL250, there is an automatic release of safety lock when pushing the down button. There is no compressed air required to operate the safety locks. When the lift is in the air, the rear drive-on ramps fold down to act as a safety stop in case of the vehicle rolling backwards. If you'd like any information or require any advice in setting up your workshop, simply reach out to Levanta. We're here to help.